नमस्ते, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटियाओ। माई सेल्फ डॉक्टर हिना मेवाड़ा, असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर, डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ प्रसूति एंड स्त्री रोग, फैकल्टी ऑफ आयुर्वेदिक साइंस, ज्योति विद्यापीठ वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी. In previous session, I was discuss about female sterilization part first, in which I was discussed about conventional method of female sterilization in detail. So, with the continuation of the topic, in this session, I am discussing about mini laparotomy and and vaginal ligation and female sterilization by laparoscopic guided or laparoscopic sterilization process. So first of all, mini laparotomy. Anesthesia is given local anesthesia, means mini laparotomy is always done under local anesthesia. Plane of incision as described in conventional method means two finger breadth below the fundal height in peripheral case, and in normal case 2 finger breadth above the symphysis pubis, but the incision should be half to 3/4 inch, means the incision size is reduced but site is same. In mini laparotomy, specially designed retractor may be introduced after the abdomen is opened. Uterus is elevated or pushed by to one side or the other by the elevators that has already introduced transvaginally into the uterine cavity. This help manipulation of the tube in bringing it close to the incisional area when it is seized by artery forceps. The appropriate technique performed on one side and then repeated on other side. The peritoneum is closed by purse string sutures. मीन्स मिनी लेप्रोटोमी में एब्डोमेन को ओपन करने के बाद स्पेशली डिजाइन रिट्रैक्टर यूज किए जाते हैं और साथ में एलिवेटर्स यूज किए जाते हैं जो कि ट्रांसवेजाइनली यूटेराइन कैविटी में इंट्रोड्यूस किए जाते हैं. ये एलिवेटर्स यूटेरस को एलिवेटेड और पुश्ड करने के लिए वन साइड और अदर साइड में पुश करने के लिए या एलिवेटेड करने के लिए यूज किए जाते हैं. इससे जो है वो ट्यूब को इंसिजनल एरिया के क्लोज लाने में हेल्प हो जाती है. नाउ vaginal ligation. With tubectomy, when it is done through the vaginal route, then it is called vaginal sterilization or vaginal ligation. The approach to the tube is through the posterior colpotomy, यानी पाउच ऑफ डॉगलेस को ओपन करके देन ट्यूबेक्टोमी की जाती है. इट इज डन अंडर जनरल और स्पाइनल एनेस्थीसिया. Complications of vaginal ligations are hemorrhage, broad ligament hematoma, and rarely rectal injury. Dyspareunia may be a late complication. The advantage of vaginal ligation is short hospital stay and convenient in obese patient. Now, third process is laparoscopic sterilization. Laparoscopy is the commonly employed method of endoscopic sterilization. The operation is done in the interval period concurrent with the vaginal termination of pregnancy or 6 weeks following delivery. Now, laparoscopic sterilization method. First one is ring. Silastic ring is commonly used, which is made up of silicone rubber with 5% barium sulfate, and it is devised by Fallop. Second method is clip. Filcy clip is commonly used, which is made up of titanium lined with silicone rubber. Pulka Clemens spring clips are also commonly used. Third method is electrocoagulation. Desiccate the tissue by heating. Unipolar or bipolar method of tubal coagulation is commonly used. This picture shows ring method of laparoscopic sterilization. This is the laparoscopic image which show the tubal ligation with elastic rings. Now clips, and these images are so filthy clips, and this is the laparoscopic view of tubal ligation. It is the filthy clips which is occluded the tubal segment, and this is the electrocoagulation method. Electrocoagulation are unipolar or bipolar method, which is done by unipolar or bipolar cautery. After electrocoagulation, reversal is difficult. This is the laparoscopic guided electrocoagulation, where tissue is destructed by electric cautery. Now, advantage of laparoscopic sterilization. Direct visualization and manipulation. Associated pelvic and abdominal abnormality is also detected. Hospitalization not needed in laparoscopic sterilization. Also cosmetic advantage, because incision size is reduced. Minimum post-operative pain and discomfort, and reversibility more after clip application, because it is easy to remove clip or ring, mm, which is used in laparoscopic sterilization. Now procedure. First of all, pre-medication. Pre-medication is pethidine hydrochloride 75 to 100 mg with phenargan 25 mg and atropine sulfate 0.65 mg IM, about half an hour prior to operation. Anesthesia is given as a local anesthesia. After that, bladder is catheterized, uterine manipulator is applied, and position is given in Trendelenburg position, means head down 15-degree tilt. After placing first trocar, a small skin incision 1.25 centimeter is made just below the umbilicus. After that, varus needle is introduced through the incision with 45-degree angulation into the peritoneal cavity, and the abdomen is inflated with about 2 liter of gas, carbon dioxide or nitrous oxide or room air or oxygen. Means this procedure are as normal laparoscopic procedure. This is the instruments which is used in laparoscopic sterilization, which is I have discussed in laparoscopy session. In laparoscopic session, so it is telescope or laparoscope. This is the trocar and cannula, and this is the varus needle. This is the various instruments. This is the applicator for elastic rings. After that, after insufflation, 2 elastic rings are loaded one after the other on the applicator with the help of a loader and pusher. The trocar with cannula is introduced through the incision. The trocar is removed and the laparoscope together with ring applicator is inserted through the cannula. After that, ring-loaded applicator approaches one side of the tube and grabs at the junction of the proximal and middle third of the tube. A loop of tube 2.5 centimeter is lifted up, and then the ring is slipped into the base of the loop under direct vision. The procedure is to be repeated on the other side. After that, laparoscope is removed, gas and air is deflected from the abdominal cavity, and the abdominal wound is sutured by a single chromic catgut suture. This is the applicator, and this is the final result of ring, elastic ring, which is occluded the tubal segment. Now, hazard of tubal sterilization. The immediate hazards related to general anesthesia and to the particular method used in sterilization. The remote complications are general complication like obesity and psychological upset, gynecological complications like chronic pelvic pain and congestive dysmenorrhea, and menstrual abnormalities in the form of menorrhagia, hypomenorrhea, or irregular period. Pelvic pain and menorrhagia along with cystic ovary constitute a post-ligation syndrome. So thank you. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Hope you all are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any queries, please write in comment box so I will resolve it. Thank you so much.